Lesson 13.2, Task 7. Model with an arithmetic series. Kiara is a senior this year. She just won a regional math award that provides an amount of money now and additional money during the next 4 years while she is in college. She is given 2 options for receiving the money as shown. Based on total cash value, which award should Kiara choose? All right, so option 1 shows that she gets $2,500 now. That's the initial payment. And she's going to receive $750 after the completion of each of 4 years of college. So she'll get 4 more payments of $750. Option 2 says she's going to get $500 now. And then she's going to get payments every 6 months until 4 years from now, with each payment $100 more than the previous payment. So option 1 has the bigger initial value, but option 2 is going to increase the value of payments every 6 months. So let's see which option yields the most money. All right, so it says determine the total cash value for the award in option 1. All right, so this option provides $2,500 now plus 4 future payments of $750. So this one's easy to calculate. All you have to do is the $2,500 plus 4 payments of $750, which is $3,000, and that gives you a total of $5,500. All right, so that is a nice math award, okay? All right, so let's determine the cash value for option 2. All right, this option's more complicated. There is $500 payment now, followed by payments that increase in their amount over the next 4 years. So create a table of values to organize the payments. Record when the payments occur and the amount of each payment. All right, so the first payment is $500. In 6 months after that, you're going to get another payment that's $100 more than the first payment. And then 6 months after that, you're going to get another payment that's $100 more than that payment. And so on until you get to the end. Now, why do they have 48 as number of months? If you think of 4 years of college, 4 years is 12 times 4 or 48 months. Okay, so that determines the end of your 4 years of college. All right, so it says in the table, can the value of n be determined? If so, what is it? All right, so yes, with blank payments now, so we get 1 payment now, and let's see, 4 years, and you get 1 every 6 months, so that would be 4 times 2, so you get 8 more payments over the next 4 years. So that means n is going to be 9, so you're going to get 9 total payments. All right, so why is there an entry of 48 in the last column? Okay, so we already talked about that. So the last payment is to be made after 4 years of college, which is 48 months from now. All right, so the payment amount in the last row of the table form an arithmetic sequence with the first term of 500 and a common difference of 100 because it increases by $100 each 6 months. So the cash value for option 2 is the sum of these payment amounts. The sum is an arithmetic series. So we can use the formula that we've been studying. S of n equals n times a sub 1 plus a sub n all divided by 2. So n would be the number of terms. We determine that is 9 payments. A sub 1 is the first payment of, $500. And then a sub n can be found by plugging in 9 to this formula here. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 times 100 is 800. 800 plus a sub 1 is 1,300. So the 9th payment is going to be $1,300. So now we can use this formula, 9 times 500 plus 1,300 over 2. Simplify using order of operations, and the total value of those payments in option 2 is $8,100. And if we look back, option 1 was $5,500. So option 2 yields a lot more money than option 1. Okay, so Kiara should choose option 2 since its cash value is greater. All right, C part. Could there be a reason for Kiara to choose option 1 instead? Well, I'd have to think long and hard about that. If you need the $2,500, if you need a bigger amount when you get started, like maybe you need supplies for college, maybe you need a new computer, or you need a down payment on a car or something, I don't know. I would be hard pressed to take $2,000 to $3,000 less because I needed a little bit more in the beginning. But there could be reasons to choose option 1, but I think for most people, the greater amount over the 4 years would probably be the better option. Let's see what it says here. Maybe she needs to purchase essential items. Yep, so same kind of thing. All right, that's all for task 7. If you have any questions, please let me know.